Grand Cayman. 2007. A fisherman spots something floating on the surface. A dead fish. Barely 19 centimetres long, the length of your hand. Its stomach has burst open, and through the transparent skin, something is coiled inside. That something is 86 centimetres long. The fish swallowed prey 4.5 times its own length. And it killed itself doing it. This is the black swallower, and this is how we find most of them. Its scientific name is Chiasmodon niger. It lives between 700 and 2,700 meters below the surface. Complete darkness, crushing pressure, water near freezing, and yet, down there, it is one of the most common fish in the North Atlantic. You will almost never see one alive, because the ones we find are already dead. Look at it. Small, dark, almost unremarkable. Maximum length, 25 centimeters, no scales, a uniform brown-black that disappears in the deep. But look at the mouth. The lower jaw protrudes past the upper, lining both jaws, a row of hooked teeth. They face backwards. Prey can enter, it cannot leave. The upper jaw is unlike almost any other fish. It connects to the skull through a structure called the suspensorium. This allows the jaws to swing outward and encompass objects larger than the swallower's own head. Scientist Theodore Gill speculated on what happens next. He believed the black swallower seizes its prey by the tail, then, slowly, walks its jaws forward over the body. If this is already disturbing, stay with me, it gets worse. Inch by inch, until the prey is fully coiled inside the stomach. That stomach is extraordinary. At rest, small, unremarkable. But it stretches, over twice the fish's own length, 10 times its body mass. As it stretches, the stomach wall becomes transparent. You can see directly through it. Whatever is inside is visible from the outside. That is the stomach you saw at the start. That is what we sometimes find floating at the surface. Food is scarce at these depths. Days can pass between meals, weeks, possibly. So when the black swallower finds prey, it commits, whatever the size. This is not recklessness. This is survival mathematics. Eat now, digest later. Most of the time, it works. Most of the time. But sometimes the prey is too large. Digestion is slow, and in that expanded stomach, decomposition begins first. Gases build inside the prey. The stomach inflates. The fish can no longer control its depth. It rises, slowly, helplessly, from 2,000 meters of darkness to the surface, dead. The Grand Cayman fish was 19 centimeters long. It had swallowed a snake mackerel 86 centimeters long. It never had a chance. That dead fish in the cold water off Grand Cayman, that burst stomach, that thing coiled inside. That is how we find them. Not in nets, not on cameras. We find them at the surface, already gone. Here is the dark irony. We know this creature mostly through its failures. What else is down there? Succeeding? We may never know. Subscribe, the next creature is already waiting.